Hey there, welcome back. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Don't be afraid to be outnumbered. Eagles fly alone. Pigeons flock together. All right, today we're going to try this out today. I'm going to pick the word joy. J-O-Y. I'm gonna pick the number 4, quattro. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna pick the number 1. I'm gonna pick the number 2. Name 2 things that calm you down. You can learn new ways of staying calm in all situations. Look up videos on YouTube about this and watch a couple that interest you. Different kinds of music, breathing practices, meditating, being in nature. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.